Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you guys the iRobot Roomba 614, how to set it up, how to use it, and my thoughts on the product. So we'll start off by obviously taking everything out of the box. When you open the box, you'll see a filter for the Roomba, which you'll have to replace every so often and clean it out every so often as well. Comes with a manual, the dock to charge it, the cord for the charging dock, of course the Roomba itself, and it even comes with a little cleaning brush. Once we have everything out of the box, we'll start to open everything. I'm going to start by opening the Roomba. It does come covered in plastic, so of course we just want to take all of that off. Once we have the Roomba open, we'll go ahead and set up the charging dock for the first thing, because you do need to charge it for 3 hours before its first use. So to set up the dock, all you do is place it next to an outlet where you'd like it to dock, plug in the cord and plug it into the wall. Super easy, super simple. And then place the Roomba on the charging points and the light will come on and it'll make a little beeping sound, and then it will shut off while it's charging to conserve power. Once it's charged, you can go ahead and press the clean button to turn it on, and then click the clean button again so that it'll start vacuuming the house. As you can tell, it's probably just about as loud as your regular vacuum. I assume the more expensive ones are quieter, as they're supposed to be. This Roomba will do multiple floor surfaces. It's supposed to do rugs as well. However, this really big one in our living room, it will not go over. We have to pick it up and place it down, but the rest of the little rugs in our house, it will clean by itself. It does a great job at getting underneath most furniture, as well as dining chairs and things like that. Before you run it, you may want to make sure to pick up any small toys or small things or articles of clothing left on the floor. This will give you a better clean and ensure that nothing gets stuck in your Roomba. After every use, you want to make sure to dump out the cartridge of just dirt and hair and things that it's obviously vacuuming up for you. You can read the instruction manual for a list of more things on the Roomba that need to be maintained and when they need to be maintained, depending on if you have pets or not. And it does seem to run for about as long as it takes to charge. Like I said, it does take 3 hours to charge, and I found that it runs for about 3 hours. With all that being said, I love this Roomba. It does a great job vacuuming. It saves me a ton of time, and I'm able to clean other things in the house while the Roomba is running, so I find I get a lot more done in the same amount of time. And I was really impressed. This is one of the cheaper models, and it does range to about $800 or $900. So I'll be honest, I was a little worried. I thought there's no way that it can work as well as the more expensive models, but I am actually, like I said, super impressed. I think that this is just as good as the more expensive models. Now, I haven't tried the more expensive models, but I think what you get with the more expensive versions is you get customization, it self-docks, you get scheduling, and all kinds of other fancy features like that. But if you're on a budget and you need to save some time, I think this is a great investment. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!